Okay, so you all know that there's one magnesium, and what's the mass of magnesium? 24.31. Okay, and hydrogen we all have memorized by now, 1.01. How many hydrogens are there? 2. Carbon is 12.01. How many carbons are there? 2. Oxygen, 16.00. How many oxygens are there? 6. That's the trap. Because remember, when we're talking about magnesium bicarbonate, we're talking about one magnesium ion that's sitting next to two bicarbonate ions. Okay? So if this is where the Lewis structures really come in handy. If you can visualize those polyatomic ions, and so you can, especially again if you're a real visual learner, you can visualize the fact that what we're talking about when we talk about this compound is that ratio. And then if you have to, and you won't have to for long, I promise, you can actually count atoms in that Lewis structure. And that's actually what we call a structural formula. It's a Lewis structure minus the extra unshared electrons. So, okay, what's our total?
146.35.
Okay, 146.35 AMUs. Now, we're going to talk about a whole new thing. We are now going to start to compute molar mass. And this is the discussion about formula versus molecular mass. I wouldn't flip that just yet. So let me ask you this, with the number that you have up there for magnesium bicarbonate, what do you have to do? So everybody, what I want you to do right now is I want you, on your paper, without saying anything out loud, to figure out the molar mass of magnesium bicarbonate. Go. I'll give you 1/10 of a second. You done? You're done. Good. What is it, ma'am?
146.35
Not moles. So close. So close. You've got it all but the units, which are grams. That's okay. That's okay. So, as long as we're in AMUs, we're talking about formula mass or molecular mass. If we want to talk about molar mass, we're saying that there are 146.35 grams in 1 mole of this stuff. So it's just like when you did stoichiometry before. The molar mass is just the formula mass or molecular mass in grams per mole. Okay? That's pretty easy. That sets you up well for the stoichiometry that we will do in this chapter, because we'll start doing some more compositional stoichiometry in this chapter, but now we're going to talk about compounds rather than just